Aries, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update ngayong July 1 to 15, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Ayan. So let's see, Aries, what's up with you? First half ng July. July 1 to 15. Pallas Athena, think. Yung mga pag-iisipan ka, pag-aaralan. Maaring may pagmumuni-muni sa yung iba sa inyo about your situation, your relationship, your career. Uy, may tension. Okay, so yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magkaroon ng conflict with someone dahil sa mga bagay na nabitawan yung salita. Oo, na hindi niyo pinag-isipan. So, medyo mag-ingat kasi baka magkaroon ng away, no? Misunderstanding with someone. This can be anyone. Pwedeng sa trabaho yan, pwedeng romantic connection. So, ngayon, yung iba, mag-iisip-isip muna kayo. Kumbaga, i-reassess nyo yung situation. Kung bakit nangyari yon, saan nagsimula yon, bakit nauwi sa conflict. Yung iba naman, pwedeng nangyari na to sa inyo in the past, and now you are thinking about reaching out sa person na to. Pwede rin vice versa, no? Na yung person na to wants to reach out sa'yo para makapag-usap. Let's see your overall energy. The Sun. You are in a good place. Masaya kayo. This is confidence. This is also clarity. So, maaring yung mga bagay na gumugulo sa isip ninyo, finally, naliliwanagan na kayo. You know what to do. Kumbaga, hindi na kayo na-influence ng mga nangyayari sa paligid nyo. No? Na hindi na kayo na-influence ng emotions ninyo para makapagsalita ng hindi maganda sa iba. Kasi minsan talaga, kapag nauunahan tayo ng ating emosyon, mabilis makapagbitaw ng salita na eventually pagsisisihan natin. But I think now, you are realizing na maaring may na-realize ka na, okay, baka may mali, baka may kailangang i-work out, baka may kailangang kausapin. So, yeah, I feel like you will be talking to someone para masettle maayos ang isang problema na hindi kayo nagkaintindihan. So, your possible challenge is the 4 of Cups. May mga times na you are not confident enough dahil parang iniisip mo kung ano yung mga bagay na wala sa'yo, ano yung mga bagay na sa tingin mo kulang, no? But ang challenge dito is to see the good things in everyone, or makita mo kung ano yung blessing na meron ka. Kasi imposibleng wala kang blessing. Lahat tayo, ano man yung situation natin ngayon, there is always something to be happy and to be grateful for. Okay? Yung malusog tayo, malakas, masigla, wala tayong sakit, blessing na yun. 'Di ba? So, your challenge is kung paano mo, how are you going to count your blessings? Ano pa yung mga bagay na pwede mong ipagpasalamat? Okay? So, your opportunity is the Page of Cups. There's an energy of a new connection, a new relationship. Pwedeng, crush, no? Oo, kung kayo'y single, possible na merong bagong romantic connection, may opportunity to get to know someone, or someone is thinking about you. Hindi makatulog. Hindi siya makatulog sa kakaisip. Your blessing is the Ace of Cups. Oh my God. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo naman, It can apply kasi sa romantic connection or sa career, trabaho, anything that brings joy, no, sa buhay mo. So, yung iba, ang blessing sa inyo, new relationship, a person na pinakikilig ka or person na sa tingin mo will be a good partner. Okay? Some of you naman, there is a new source of happiness sa career ninyo. Maaring you're feeling inspired na magtrabaho, whether you are in a business or in a career. So, tinan natin, ano tong new source of happiness? In what area of life? Uy, okay. 10th house. For some of you, sa career to. No? Pwedeng merong promotion sa trabaho, meron kayong mga recognition na achieve sa work. Yung iba naman, inspiration, no? Inspired kayong mag-work. Pwedeng nakikita nyo lagi ang crush nyo. Or dyan yung mamimit yung inyong forever. Okay? Let's see your money, career, finances. 8 of Pentacles. So, very inspired to work. Yung iba sa inyo may mga trainings na aatenan, may mentorship. Wow, the Empress. This is abundance. Mm-mm. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong special project na gagawin ngayong July na wherein you will use your abilities, yung talento mo, yung pagiging creative mo. And ito yung magdadala sa'yo ng kaperahan. Diba? 10th house na naman. Career. Responsibility. So, some of you, meron kayong responsibility sa trabaho. And I think this energy ng sexuality is about being so connected sa trabaho, sa career mo, na you identify yourself as that energy, no? So, example, magaling kang mag-paint, no? Parang ito, may painter siya. So, you are so much connected to that career kasi yung pagpe-painting na yon, kaya niyang suportahan yung trabaho mo, yung career mo, yung kabuhayan mo by selling those artwork, 'di ba? Kumbaga, you have so much, you have a very deep connection with that job, with that career, with that gift na binigay sa'yo ni God. You are also at peace. Yung iba sa inyo, when it comes to your career, fulfilled kayo. Masaya kayo sa trabaho nyo. Masaya kayo sa ginagawa ninyo. Masaya kayo sa direksyon na tinatahak ng career path nyo or ng business ninyo. Let's see your love life. Oh, 'di ba? Some of you are happy. Masaya kayo that you are with someone. Yung iba sa inyo, you have a happy family together. Some of you pwedeng bagong kasal na you used to be happy by yourself, na masaya ka na on your own, pero nung dumating tong tao sa buhay mo, mas lalo kang naging masaya. Mas lalong naging mas exciting ang life. With the 10 of Wands, ito yung tipong kahit may responsibilities ka, syempre, ang relationship, partnership, responsibility yan eh. Kasi kailangan nating asikasuhin yung person natin. Kaya nga siya partnership. It has obligations, responsibilities. But I think kahit na ganon, masaya ka na ginagawa yung responsibilities na yon for your person. No? Because this person makes you feel happy. Yes, this person completes you. Kumbaga, sabi nila, you complete me. Diba? Heart healing. I think you are healing from your past. Yung mga hindi magandang experiences mo in the past, you've healed from that, kaya mas nakakapag-focus ka sa situation mo ngayon. 9th house. Also, yung iba sa inyo, you will have opportunities to travel with your romantic person. Sabi nga nila, mas makikilala mo raw ang isang tao kapag kayo ay nagta-travel together. Oo. Lalo na sa romantic connection. Mm. Homeward, take yourself out on a date. Okay. So, ito naman, para sa sarili mo to. Na whether you are single or in a relationship, dapat may oras at panahon ka sa sarili mo na lumalabas na mag-isa lang. No? Time for yourself, me time, to enjoy yung company mo. 'Di ba? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.